Once there lived a farmer with his wife. They had an infant baby. One day, the farmer found an injured mongoose. While returning home from the field, he told his wife that he would nurse the mongoose to health and keep it as a pet. The wife did not like the idea but agrees reluctantly. The mongoose recovered soon and played around in the house. The wife kept it away from her infant son. One day, the wife left the sleeping baby with her husband, went out to fetch some groceries. She told him to keep the mongoose away from him. Meanwhile, the farmer got an urgent call from the fields and he left the son with the mongoose. He trusted mongoose and was sure that his child was safe with him. After some time, the farmer's wife returning with a big grocery basket. She saw the mongoose standing outside the gate with blood on his mouth and paw. Without a second throw, she yelled and smashed the poor animal with the basket full of groceries. She ran inside, crying and waiting, but was shocked to see her son sleeping peacefully near a dead snake. Now the reality dawned upon her. She understood that a snake must have come to bite her son, but the mongoose killed the snake to save the baby. The blood stain was that of the snake's. She rushed out to check on the mongoose. The poor loyal mongoose was dead.